Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about what to do if you notice that your machine is moving inaccurately. Either the carve is too large for the dimension specified or too small for the dimension specified. If it's always like that when you've set up the machine, then most likely you're going to need to adjust your steps per millimeter, and we would recommend reaching out to your machine manufacturer for more information on that. But if it just kind of starts happening randomly, this is something that can help kind of with that issue. And so what you can do is do what's called a machine reset, which is essentially sending a firmware command through the machine inspector console to reset the machine. And I'm going to show exactly how to do that here. Start by clicking on machine. You'll get a drop-down menu. One of the options will be machine inspector. When you click on that, you'll be brought to the machine inspector, and here's the console that shows all the firmware information. To reset the machine, simply type in $RST equals, and then the star symbol, which is holding shift and pressing the 8 key, and then press enter. And you will see something that says restoring defaults and then OK. And that should reset your machine. And then you just want to try carve again, see if those dimensions are correct. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.